Hey guys, this is Jeffrey with Forever I Trade. It is January 8th, 2024, and let's look at the market. It opens actually in a few seconds. Alright, so let's see what we're looking at here. We can draw this up. I'm looking at the MNQ, we're looking at the MYM and MES, so we're just looking. Alright guys, so we'll pull a trade when we see one. And if you guys are trading, let me know what you guys are trading, what you're looking at. And, let's see how this market is moving. Direction is important, right? So you definitely want to go in a good direction. And have your stop, which is actually more important than the direction because you got to have your stop just in case it goes against you. Alright, so let's trade, guys. Let me know if you see anything and let's go for it. I'm not pushing up except the Russell, but the ES may break highs at like the 47, 44 in a quarter, and then we have the MNQ looking at the next resistance, what could be the pre-high. This green line here could be pre-high, so a little bit better. So this may be opportunity here. It may come back down, it may drop. Just kind of never know. Let's just see what it wants to do. You see the YM over here is kind of floating around. So let's see. Nice double top right here in this little area. Yeah, nice little double top. So if you saw that, you could have shorted it here with an exit maybe above this green candle, above the red candle. Shoot for a couple points. But I didn't see that one, so yeah, let's continue to hunt. I took the NASDAQ MNQ off of this bullish green bar, blue bar, which is a green bar. So let's see if that's going to take or if it's going to stop me out. Got in kind of late, but let's see. Let's see what it wants to do. I would love for it to come up here. Then I'll just break even, honestly. Yeah, I'll take whatever $1.50 that is, and let's see if I can get it up here to this area of resistance. If not, perfectly fine. If so, that's great. So I'm gonna play this one and see. But remember, right here, got in on this pin bar a little late, but I did want to get in on the action no matter what. So all right, took me out. Alright, well, we made a play. We made a play. I'm kind of chasing the market here, but I wanted to make that play. Alright, and we got a little bit of cheese out of it. I gave the NASDAQ another shot. I got him creeping over this red bar right here. So I'm curious to see if he wants to continue upward, or if he still wants to hang down. So let's give him some room, and let's see what he wants to do. Nice jump. Let's see. It looks like he wants to jump up there. There we go. Alright, second trade. So let's see. We'll look for some other ones, but the NASDAQ is definitely, pushing up. As you can see, this is definitely an uptrend. There's no mistaking about it. It's over the 20 moving average, over the 50 moving average, and this thing is climbing, right? At resistance area that we mentioned, be careful. It could spike through. It could come down and reverse and give you sellers maybe a little bit of grace here. Be careful. Right, we know you're going to be counter trending if you go against the grain, and you can sim this too. Right, if you want to sim it and still have your tight stop loss, to me, maybe if you take one of these candles out, and if it doesn't, you kind of learn your lesson for next time. And the stop is set, I'm not moving the stop. So if it takes me out, I'm losing $7. You can't beat that, right? So. But as you see, it may start continuing down in that direction, which if you really wanted to, you can pull the trigger again. what I would usually do is adjust my stop up here and maybe see if it'll come down to this 20 moving average. $12 loss, not bad, maybe for a $42 gain. I did wait for like a lower high, but let's see if this takes it off this little 3 candle pattern here, right? It may start dropping, so let's see. Let's see. It's a sim account too, guys. All right, so as you can see, it's a sim and live sim. So we trade sim like we trade live. Same strategy, same setup, and we see if it works. And let's see if this is going to be one of those trades that may work in your favor. Man, this Dow trade was pretty good. I might give this trade a little bit more time to figure out what it wants to do. Alright, nice trade. I'll get out. We'll leave the NASDAQ alone for a little bit. This was a good trade here. This one right here. Maybe it's this one. Right? Maybe we'll stop above the 20. And that was a good trade. Let's see what else we can find. Anybody's looking at these markets? Anybody looking at the MNQ or the Dow, MYM? If you are, did you take any trades yet? Are you going to take any trades? Are you chasing? What's going on? We all tend to have the tendency to do that sometimes. So if you're still doing it, it's okay. I do it sometimes as well. We just try to manage it. Really, you're managing it. But yeah, come on guys, let's see what else we can find. I took a trade on the MES. I don't know where this is going to lead me to, but I'm definitely okay to go break even. MES can be jumpy, right? It can either spike up there really quick or it can just come down and just take out, whatever you thought you was going to do. So I would love for it to come in this area here, but you never know. Give it some time. I'm in profit now, so whether I make $1, I might as well just wait. I like that bull bar over the 20, but let's see if it's going to pull back and take me out or if it's going to continue to run up. Running up will definitely be what I want, but it's not about what I want. So let's see. I don't know if I trust the ES to blow past my stop, so I'm not going to change my stop. I'm going to increase my loss. Well, so I'm at $8 in. Let's see which direction it wants to continue. And the NASDAQ is still, going like we thought it was going to go, which is up, which is what I like to see. I'm going to give this trade a little bit more time. There we go. All right, you're pushing up. Come on. Let's go. There you go. I get out. Alright, so we got 3 trades in. This kind of threw me off here. MACD is kind of on the bottom side, and it could easily drop. It could go up, but it could easily pop down, come back down to the averages, take me out. I wasn't really willing to risk it, so we'll stick with that for now. NASDAQ, wow, if I would have stayed in, oh boy. It's been an alright payday for this one. Came back pretty good here. Nice pop. I said I was going to take 3 trades. I'm on my 4th trade, and I saw a possible trade here on the MES. Still got a type stop loss for $6, but profit of 25. So I'm wondering if it's going to drop down off this resistance area here. I don't know if you can see it, but off here. So let's see if it wants to drop or if it wants to continue to blast through my stop. Time will tell either way. If I can, if I can drag this down. Okay, yeah, it stopped me out. Okay, so definitely done trading now, which is perfectly okay because I said I was gonna stop anyway. So not a bad day. 38 bucks, right? So with a few minutes. And this is just the micros, right? You add a zero, or depends on how many contracts you're using. You'll be up pretty high in the minis, which we'll be getting to the mini soon as well. But all right, guys, you guys take it easy. I'm gonna post this video and let me know if you guys got any questions, any comments. I don't care what you ask. You may have some advice for me, but it's fair by trade.